Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you read by the title, we're going to be talking about drugstore makeup. Now y'all, we're going to do a full face of drugstore makeup, you know, from the foundation to the lips to everything, y'all. It's going to look so good. I'm so excited. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 1K. We are almost there, y'all, and your girl will be doing a giveaway. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and support your girl. But we're going to get right into this video, but I do want to tell y'all that I am going to Sephora. So by the time this video come up on Thursday, which is tomorrow, I'm gonna be heading to Atlanta, and I'm gonna be going to Sephora on Friday. Now if you want to see that vlog, that will be up Sunday, hopefully, y'all. I'm gonna try to get it out for y'all, but we're gonna try to get it out Sunday. As y'all can see, we also have packages, meaning that we have some more content coming as well. So y'all stay tuned and support your girl and subscribe to the channel and all that jizz. But we're gonna get right into the video, y'all, because I don't want to hold y'all up any longer, and I still gotta pack. All right, y'all, so I brought y'all in a little bit closer. I already did like the brows a little bit because y'all already seen how my brows are, so there's no point in me redoing it, etc. So we got a Celsius job because your girl's tired, worked both jobs today, so it's like 10 o'clock at night. We got a Celsius to get us through the night because we're gonna have a very long night. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna go in and prep the face using e.l.f. Jelly Pop. Y'all already know this is my go-to. I've been using the mess out of this. I actually like it in general and not just for this video. It hydrates the skin really well. I really love everything about it. As y'all can see, I'm missing the center of my face because I don't want that product to be there. I want to stay on the outskirts because we're gonna put another primer in the center. The center of my face, we're gonna go in with the liquid Poreless Putty. I still have the mini, y'all, because I really don't use it. However, it is great for it to be a drugstore. I'm not gonna hold you, but I do want to try the NYX one. So y'all let me know, like, is the NYX one a good like drugstore putty primer, basically, like something to like seep into the pores? Y'all let me know down below. Also, yeah, my hair makes it like I have no edges, and I put too much of this on. It never fails, but it looks like I don't have any edges. Like, it feels like that girl just snatched my hair out. But she did, y'all. I have edges. They're just in the braids, actually. So for foundation, we actually have two options. We have the Morphe Hydrating Foundation, but today I'm gonna actually use the e.l.f. Soft Glam Sand Foundation. This one right here. I have shade 64 Rich Neutral and 54 Deep Neutral. So I have two. I typically mix them depending on how I'm feeling, but I think today we're just gonna go in with this one. It's a little bit on the dark side, but I'm pretty sure throughout the makeup is gonna line up, and if I need to, I'll just add a little bit of the lighter shade. I'm gonna take my Morphe brush right here and just blend all of this out. Just tap it into the skin. I know a lot of y'all are probably wondering like why my foundations really be like darker than my body. It's because like I'm trying to like match my neck and chest. Now my chest is light, don't get me wrong, it is, but when I go based on my chest color, my foundation and stuff ends up orange. Like, it never fails, you guys. So I just go darker to match my neck and stuff, so I won't have no line of demarcation. You're gonna trust the process. I promise y'all. I look crazy right now, but it's gonna work out. Now, I normally do go in with some of that lighter shade, but I just want to see what it looks like without it, because I never played around without that lighter shade just to see how my makeup turns out. So yeah. So I'm gonna take my Morphe right here, my Morphe Filter Effect Concealer. This one's in the shade Deep 34 Cool. Now, I don't know, y'all probably wondering, but it has a peachy undertone, and the other one has a very warm undertone. The neutral one, I don't think they had neutral. I really don't know, but I did not like the way it looked on my skin. So we're gonna go in with this one just because I prefer this shade, but I do have the other one just in case my makeup is too, like, you know, cool, and I put the warm ones in the center. But we're gonna go in with the Milani Cheek Kiss Mocha Moment bronzer right here. Now, hoping to show up on my skin, y'all, considering that I went in with a dark shade, so hopefully it still looks good and it show up. And y'all can see I use this a lot because you can see the bottom of the pan already. So you can see it a little bit, just not too much, and that's fine by me. We're gonna take this mini brush and make sure we just contour the nose. We're gonna go in with our setting brush and blend out. I'm gonna just do the outside parts first, just so I won't have too much product where they're at. See? And then I'm gonna do the forehead. And I'm gonna bring my way down my nose. Just to make sure everything is still blended. Yeah. So then I'm working my way on the outsides. And then inward. So now how I see that contour is showing up a little bit more because I added some dimension to it. Yeah. So I'm actually gonna take the brush from earlier I did my nose with and like come out here to give the face some dimension, of course. Like just to add something so it just looks too highlighted. Yeah, I love how they just added something to the face, like snatches a little bit more. Yeah. I'm gonna go in and do windshield wiper motions on my eyes. Yeah, I really thought about getting like, I don't know what it's called, maybe like fillers or something on the eyes, because like I have my lids, if you can tell, I have like extra like skin and all that, so it's like kind of hard when I'm trying to do like natural eyeshadow looks because it never look right. So I don't know, but this is what the face is looking like, y'all. So good. Everything looks amazing. And then for blush, we're going to be using e.l.f. Camo blush. I know I love this stuff, but this time we're going to be using Bronze Bombshell. Now I did use it for TikTok. It's like a little chocolatey bronze color, but it does pull up a little bit on the orange side. Like, you see that? Like, you can definitely like blondes. What is it? Was it blondes or brush? Or I don't know, y'all, but or bronzing, I don't know. I ain't too hip with all that, so that's how much we're gonna put, just a little bit, just to keep it light on the face. And then we're gonna go in with our blush and just pat. But see how like it's like pulling up kind of an orangey shade? It's just a toned down orange. Like, I'm not mad at that. I just thought it would be like a little bit deeper, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use my Morphe Continuous setting spray right here to spray all over the face just to make sure everything meshed together. But it doesn't really look bad. Like, I low-key really just don't need it. And during this time, I'll go over any places where I have creases just to make sure everything is blended out before we set anything. Now for pressed powder, we're gonna go in with the Kiss mattifying powder right here. I have mine in translucent tan. I got this from them, y'all, when they sent me some stuff, so I don't really know how much it costs, but I really do like it. A good dupe, of course, will probably be Maybelline Fit Me. Y'all already know that's like the go-to, but I don't have that. I ran out, so we're just gonna use what I got. And like, it doesn't really just mattify the face like that, but it gets the job done as far as like setting everything. So now we're gonna go in and actually like set. So I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place powder. This is in the shade Gobi, y'all. I've been using this for years. Like, I'm pretty sure, like, if I look at when I bought this, it's old. Like, probably when I bought the foundation, that was like probably like 5-6 years ago. Maybe shorter, don't know, but I had this for a very long time. I gotta take my pluff right here. I'm gonna put the product on the back. Yeah, I put so much. Oh gosh, hold on. There we go. Tap all that excess off, and I'm gonna just set. I forgot to put my highlight shade on. Oh Lord, I'm just moving too fast, but ain't no going back now. So, and I'm just going over all the places that I just put that product on, because it's really not mattifying like I want it to be. It's just a good place to set and everything. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna try this new product that I really just bought, and it is the NYX Butter Bronzer right here. Now, y'all, this is in the shade Butter Than You, because period, we all better than, I'm just playing, y'all. We ain't better than nobody. We all the same person. But this is what we look like. But this is what it is, y'all. It is so, I guess a pretty shade. I don't know. Oh, it is deep. It is deep. I hope it don't pull up like that purple reddish shade that I've been seeing everywhere, or I'm gonna be pissy. It's probably gonna pull up red. Yeah. I knew it was, y'all. I knew it was. Okay. Was not expecting this, to say the most part, and I got it in my braids. Now I ain't gonna hold y'all. I might have overdid it, so we're gonna just go back, do a little bit of tapping with the foundation brush, tone it down just a tiny bit. But other than that, y'all, it's not bad. It's not a bad shade. I just really don't like red bronzer as much as I thought I would. So I'm more so like, give me like just a chocolate. Give me a chocolate, not no red or whatever. We're good. But this is low-key pulling up red. I'm not gonna hold y'all. This would probably be a great blush color, cause yeah, it is too red for my liking. I'm gonna have to cheat, y'all, cause it's I'm gonna have to cheat a little bit, just a little bit of Fenty. I'm sorry, I can't do red, especially on my nose, because my nose is already kind of like, you know, normally like a normal nose or whatever, but I like to like have it snatched. So, but I don't want it to be red, so we're just gonna have to put a little bit of Fenty, y'all. I'm sorry, had to do a little bit of cheating, just a little bit, but we're gonna go in a little bit of orange. This is too bright, y'all, but I don't have anything that is darker, so I'm just gonna take a smaller brush. We're not gonna use too much, just a little bit, tap it off, and just go over that top area, just to bring that color back out some, so make sure that it's not lost. But yeah, this is what we looking like. I do not like my forehead. It's like the powder is too much or whatever, but anyways, this is what we looking like. I went ahead and did the eyebrow because I do not have any drugstore eyebrow stuff. I done tried the NYX pencil and it's too like cool tone, and I haven't tried elf. I haven't seen one, and yeah, y'all let me know a good drugstore eyebrow pencil in the comments, because I would love to try it. Now I heard Morphe has a good one, but every time I go try to get it, y'all, it is sold out. So can I use Morphe? I'm gonna get my hands on it eventually, but this is the face so far. I do like it. I have a little bit of sheen here, y'all, but I always have that. I don't know why. Like my face want to be oily so bad right there, who knows. But we're gonna go in and do the lips. So I'm gonna go in with my Kiss pencil right here. This is actually their eye pencil, however it is a great brown for lip, and this is in the shade dark brown. So I'm gonna line the lips. It takes a minute for it to show up, y'all, but it shows up. You gotta like play with it. Also, me having like lip gloss on does not help it, but it shows up. So that's that, and then I'm gonna go in with just a lip oil. I'm not gonna do anything too extravagant. So I have lip oil by Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Merlot Glass. It's like a cute little brown brick shade. That'll be cute to go with the blush and the bronzer. Like, that's pretty. But all right, everyone, that is it for today's makeup look. I did not use any setting sprays to like finish off, because I'm gonna take this off and pack for Sephora. But anyways, y'all, this is what the look is looking like. It looks so good in my opinion. I feel like it could have been better, y'all, but my brushes are dirty, so that's probably why it looks a little iffy to me. But I also don't have on any glasses, so I really can't tell what it looks like in camera until I'm editing. So I hope it looks good for y'all. I hope you all enjoy this video. This is the makeup look. I really do love it, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the channel, join the family, y'all. We are almost at 1K once again, and we're gonna do a giveaway at 1K. But also, y'all, I'm going to Sephora, y'all. I'm so excited. I've never been to anything like this before. So if you want to see my experience, I'm gonna try to vlog the entire thing. So I'm hoping to have some great content for y'all and all of that for Sunday. So if you haven't, go ahead and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my Sunday upload for Sephora. But anyways, y'all, thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all Sunday with a new video. Bye.